CBSE Class 11 in Coimbatore. CMIS CHANDRAMARI International School, Coimbatore. Smart strategies for high school students to secure college admissions. Creating an effective study plan. An organized study plan is essential for handling academic challenges. It helps manage increased workload and complex subjects. Choose study hours when you feel most alert, whether in the morning or evening. Use digital calendars or physical planners to track deadlines, exams, and study sessions. Advantages of a structured study schedule. A well-balanced study schedule enhances time management skills. It helps balance academic responsibilities and personal time. A structured plan reduces stress and prevents burnout by including breaks and leisure time. Efficient revision becomes possible when following a study plan, leading to improved academic performance. Mastering note-taking for academic success. Organized notes help retain complex information and improve exam preparation. Use bullet points, diagrams, and highlights to structure notes effectively. Regularly review and organize your notes to strengthen learning and enhance memory. Prioritizing mental and physical health. Mental health plays a vital role in academic success. Managing stress improves focus and concentration. Regular exercise promotes physical health and enhances brain function, which boosts memory and concentration. Sleep is critical for cognitive function. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night for better performance. Simple strategies for a balanced routine. Incorporating small physical activities into daily routines improves overall well-being. Take breaks between study sessions and engage in activities like walking or sports to refresh your mind. Use stairs instead of elevators and participate in regular physical activities to stay healthy and energized.